Hi, hi everybody. Very happy evening, everyone. So today we have a great sale of saris, linen cotton, and also linen and soft cottons. All the saris are for 999. The sari which I am wearing is also from one of those collections. So this is a bird print sari. This is a very cute bird prints all over. So this I have paid with a contrast blouse, but for this you will be getting a running blouse. So this is how it is. Baby pink saree I'm wearing. So in this I'll be showing you the colors. So this is how we get the pallu. So this is the pallu we'll be getting. The nice birds and leaf design you'll be having. So these are very comfortable casual wear sarees, and also they look very fancy and very pretty too. Yeah, okay, I'll start showing the colors in this. All the sarees which I'm showing in this show, all the sarees are for just 999. Okay, all the sarees are for 999. We'll start seeing the collections. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot. While the live is going on, you can take a screenshot of the saree and you can message me immediately. Okay, we have very pretty and pastel colors in this collection. We'll start seeing the first one. This is the pink color. You'll be the baby pink color. This is baby pink bird design saree. The next color we'll see. This is all the sarees are for 999. What is it? The title of the live show itself is a 999 sarees unlimited sale. Okay, as an account of this Christmas, New Year, and what's it? Pongal, we have got this all the sarees in the 999 range. Very affordable and very comfortable and very good looking sarees. We'll start seeing the sarees. Okay, the first saree is in the baby pink color. Baby pink, my favorite. Okay, the second one is in the blue color. Okay, I just blouse I'll show you. I just paired it with the contrast blouse which I already have. You can also pair with the contrast blouse if you think that it looks better, or otherwise you can just wear the running blouse that you get on this saree. Okay, the second saree is in the nice pretty sky blue color. Okay, this is pastel blue color, so this is in the sky blue color. So this is the color. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Blouse is it? So the blouse you'll be getting the plain running blouse. Those who likes the monochrome color combination, you can go with the same color combination. Yeah, this is how it is. You will get the same running blouse you'll be getting with small zari patta at the bottom. Okay, all these are linen cottons. The material is also very smooth, and durable. So yeah, this is how it is. You can see, right? Very nice cotton it is. So this is the blue. This is a saree number 2. The color is saree. This is saree number 2. Okay, this is how it is when you drape it. When you drape it is more beautiful, but I like to put it on one plate. So this is how it is. Okay, this is saree number 2, blue color. Okay, saree number 3 is nice pretty peach color, peach with the orange color combination. Yeah, this is the peach with the orange color combination. This is how it is when you wear. Actually my blouse suits on all the colors sarees. Okay, yeah, this is a peach color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is pallu. Yeah, this is the pallu you'll be getting. This is all the print, cute fancy bird print sarees. All these sarees you find in the boutiques also. You'll find it at a little higher price. So the same kind of saree, same linen cotton, same durability, same quality, everything. Okay, this is how it is when you drape. This is peach orange. Yeah, the blouse will be in the same running color blouse. If you want, you can pair it with the contrast color blouse. Okay, this is how it is. This is peach orange, color number 3. All the sarees are for 999. Okay, next color. Next color is lemon yellow. this is also very pretty color. All this set of colors, all we are seeing, all these are pastel and fancy colors. Okay, so this is a pretty yellow color. This is a very pretty and bright yellow, fancy kind of yellow. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is a nice pretty yellow color. You'll get the same running blouse. When you drape it, it will be like this. Okay, this is how it is. Nice yellow color blouse. So you'll get the same running blouse with this silver zari patta you will be getting. Okay, so all the sarees are for 999. Please do read the title of the live show. There itself I have given the price. So yeah, this is how it is. This is lemon yellow. Okay, this is also another pretty color. The pallu you will be getting in this way. Okay, the next saree. So in the pink we have another variant color. This is purple pink. This is a light color. Actually this is a purple pink, light purple pink. So the one which I am wearing is baby pink. You can see the variation. I think it's very hard to find it out. This is baby pink. This is the light purple pink color combination. So this is also a very pretty color. Basically all the colors are very pretty, but I draped it pink because baby pink is my favorite. So you can pick your favorite color combination. So this is how it is when you drape it. Okay, okay, this is how it is. It's very professional and the look is also very good. Yeah, this is in the purple pink color. This is the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting in this bird design. So basically all the sarees are of same color. So the blouse is also same running blouse. So this is how it is. Purple pink, purple pink. This is baby pink. Please don't get confused. Okay, next. Next is Laurel green color. This is Laurel green color combination. In the same one it is. Nice Laurel green, that is a pastel green color combination, or you can term it as mint green as well. This is mint green or the pastel green color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, this is the pastel green or the Laurel green color combination. Okay, so this is how it looks. So all the sarees are for 999. Either you can blouse. So the blouse also you will get the same running blouse with the sari border. Okay, this is in the green. Next, so the next is in the white color. White is always a happy color. So next is in the white color. White color with the same bird design. So this is the base color for all. White color with the silver zari combination, and with white also this blouse goes well. So I'm just giving you a suggestion. You can take a red blouse and pair it with all the sarees. Yeah, this is the blouse you'll be getting once you drape. So this is like this. White is always a a very pretty color combination. This is basically a whitish cream color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. This is also for 999. Next, next, Pochampalli sarees. Okay, in linen cotton itself we have got another variant which is with the Pochampalli design. Okay, yeah, these are the sarees. So it's a yeah, we are done with the bird design sarees that I have already shown you. 1 2 3 4 5 6, total six colors we have. So these are the next collection. All these are also for 999. These are kind of silk mixed linen cottons. So all these are also for 999. Nice Pochampalli design. You can take a screenshot and you can message me while the live is going on. I would attend to you once the live is done. Okay. Yeah, this is nice Pochampalli print design saree. This is snuff color border. This wine color. This is wine color border, chocolate brown color border. In this we have different color borders. So this is the first one which I am showing. These are unlike cottons, these are little silk mix. So it is very easily drapeable sarees. These are. So yeah, this is also for 999 blouse, I think. So the beauty of this is blouse outside better. It means it color contrast in color. So you'll be getting a contrast blouse for this. Brown color blouse you'll be getting. And the saree is in the white color. As such of the border you'll be getting the blouse. So this is the pallu. Pallu is also very rich, colorful. All these sarees are for 999, whatever I'm showing. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, next color. So in the same design I'll be showing you the colors. So this comes with the emerald green color border, the same Pochampalli design on the cream base you'll be getting. You'll be getting the green blouse and you'll be getting the pallu in the green color. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks. These are very pretty, and because of the design is very famous, and most likely these are easily drapeable, and maintenance is very low. Maintenance is very low in the sense, you can use it like rough and tough. The blouse different. Okay. Yeah, this is the one with the green. So so this is the blouse. This is the blouse you will be getting. This is the contrast blouse. Okay, for this sarees. This is in the emerald green color border. So this is the blouse you will be getting. So this is also for 999. Next is in the Rani pink color border. Same background with the Rani pink color combination. Okay. This is in the Rani pink color. Whichever combination you like, whichever feel you don't have it, or whichever you feel that suits on your face, you can pick that. So this is in the Rani pink color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, this is the zari patta you will be getting. All over you will be having the Pochampalli design. This is the Rani pink color. This is the pallu you will be getting. Next, the blouse is also some design with the contrast color combination. It's really beautiful, and I think it's also affordable very much. So yeah, this is in the Rani pink color. Next, please do take a screenshot of the product that you want to buy, and you can message me during the live show itself. Okay, so this is in the black color combination. The same saree in the black color combination. Okay, this is actually not pure black, it is blackish gray kind of. So yes, yeah, this is in the black and the cream color combination. Yes, this is how it looks. Blouse. So this is the contrast blouse you will be getting, same that as the border, and this is the pallu. Pallu is in the black with the colorful lines. Okay, this is in the black color. Next is in the maroon color. Okay, yeah. Next is in the dark maroon color combination. This is dark maroon color here. So this is how it looks. These are very pretty, and it looks very good. I am just seeing now only while the live is going on. I feel very good. Okay, this is with the dark maroon color combination. Blouse is it? Okay, this is the blouse you will be getting. Blouse also you will be getting in the design. So okay, that I think that's a best thing Blouse is in the contrast, pallu is in the contrast, and the blouse you will be getting in the design. Okay, so I'll show you the pallu. Pallu is this. Pallu is also in the contrast color with the lines. Next. Okay, this is the next color. Emerald green అయిపోయిందా? Before one is bottle green, this is emerald green. The same white color with the emerald green color combination. Blouse. ఇంకేముంది చూపించడానికి? Blouse పెట్టు. So the blouse you will be getting in the contrast color. Yeah, blouse you will be getting in the super. It is awesome. I'm really loving it. I just opened the sarees. I did not even have a trial. Yeah, this is the pallu. Pallu is also in the contrast color. Okay, this is how it looks. All the sarees are for 999. Okay, this is the pallu. Next is in the dark. Next is with the violet color border. Okay, this is in the violet color border. The blouse is also in the violet color. How pretty it is. The blouse is also in the violet color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, this is the pallu. Pallu is in the colorful violet border. So this is with the violet color combination. I think we have 3 more colors. Yellow ఇవ్వాల్సిందే. Yeah, this is how it is. Okay, this is also for 999. So this is a very pretty mustard color combination here. This is in the golden mustard color combination with the nice golden mustard color border with the zari border also given. Okay, so this is the blouse you will be getting, the contrast blouse again with the design and with the border. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, this is with the golden mustard color combination, and this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting in this way. Okay, next. Done. Color?
Red. Maroon.
Honey red. Honey color lo ఉంటుంది. This is in the honey red color. I don't know if you call it honey red. So this is the one. I don't know, honey red or some maroon red blouse. So this is the blouse you will be getting. So obviously again a very good color combination. So this is how it looks. Sari with the self design contrast blouse. Okay, this is also for 999. Last one is in a pretty wine color. Last one is a pretty wine color or burgundy color design. Okay, this is the one. So this is in the pretty wine color or that burgundy color design. The blouse better. So the same burgundy or the wine color blouse you will be getting. So this is also for 999. Okay, so I'll show you the pallu. This is the pallu. Okay, yes, this is how it is. With this Pochampalli design linen silk cotton sarees we have completed. Okay, I have shown you 2 variants, this and that. So 2 variants are done. Now we are seeing this colorful muggu sarees. That has been already a very huge hit. When I posted the photos itself, people have got multiple times. I mean, the same customer has purchased 2 to 3 times. So it is such a huge hit. I could post the reviews also. So we'll start seeing the colorful muggu sarees. Lightweight. So these are the sarees that comes with the body remains the same in the beige color, and the muggu pattern you will be having. I am waiting from a long time to do live for this sarees. So yeah, this is how it is. Blouse is bro. Okay, so yeah, these are the colorful Mugu sarees. All these are also for 999. So this is how it is. So the pallu is a beautiful part here. Pallu you will be getting here. The pallu you will be getting nicely with the partitions of the color, two colors which is in the saree, with the flowers and some pattern designs. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks, and the blouse is again in the contrast, but it is on the other side. You will be getting the contrast. You will be getting the contrast blouse for this saree. This is saree number 1 in the colorful Mugu. All these are also for 999. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. This is the final look. You have a border as well. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, saree number 2. Saree number 2 in the colorful Mugu. So this is also a bestseller. This is mustard yellow color. Mustard yellow color, colorful Mugu. Okay. Yeah, this is in the mustard yellow color, colorful Mugu. So this is how it looks. Of course, it's very pretty. I know. Yeah, this yeah, colorful Mugu with the cream with the mustard yellow color combination. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting, but I'll show you the pallu. So this is the pallu you will be getting, and this is the blouse. Blouse is in the contrast yellow color. Okay, this is in the mustard yellow color. This is also for 999. This is with the red border. Okay, I hope I have given the notification late today, so I don't see so good head count in the live. That's okay. Whoever has missed the live, you can join. You can see the IGTV video which is posted. Okay, this is in the red color border, same colorful Mugu in the red color border. Hi everyone. Okay, sorry, I couldn't read your messages. Once I'm done, I'll definitely read your messages. Yeah, so this is with the red color border. This is with the red color border, colorful Mugu. Blue is it?
Blue.
Okay. Yeah, this is also for 999. This is the pallu you will be getting with the same colorful pallu, and this is the blouse. Dark red color one is the blouse. Yeah, this is also for 999. Next. So this is in the grey color. Grey is also a very fast selling color. Mugu saree with the grey color patta. Yeah, this is how it is. Grey with the cream color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. And the pallu is again the colorful pallu, and the blouse is again the contrast blouse. This is the blouse you'll be getting in the self stripes. Okay, yeah, this is how you'll be getting the blouse. So this is in the grey color. Okay, this is also for 999. Next, and then now so this is in the blue color. Yes, so this is in the blue, Ujala blue kind, right? Ujala blue hai kaisa? Yeah, this is in the Ujala blue. I don't know, blue. This is blue. Hi. Yeah, this is that blue color combination. Again, yeah, this is the pallu. Again, the colorful pallu, and this is the blouse in the self stripes. Yeah. This is the blouse how we get. This is how it looks. Okay, this is blue. The last one in this, and I think the last for this show, green color. The so this is in the parrot green color combination. Thank you. I don't know. Sindhu. Yeah, Sindhu. Thank you so much, Sindhu. Yeah. This is the last one. This is in the parrot green color with the, yeah, this is how it looks. Okay. Yeah, for the patience. Yes, I've got lot of patience. Even I realized it recently. Thank you. So yeah, this is in the parrot green color combination. So this is the pallu you'll be getting. The same pallu for all. So this is the blouse. Blouse is again the contrast blouse. Yeah, this is the contrast blouse you'll be getting. So Adi. Listen. So this is the I mean, yeah, with this, no, there is one more. Okay, this is the last one in the colorful Muggu saree, parrot green color. I have one more which is a new print which is unique of all these designs. Now I have shown you bird saree, bird print saree, and I have shown you the Muggu design saree as well. So this particular saree, it is a combination of both this Muggu and the bird print. So I'll show you the print. So this is like a tree with the birds, and the dots are all that resembles that Muggu. So we try to mix and match the design during printing, so it looks little unique. So at the border you'll be having that zigzag design that resembles that pallu, you know. ఏంటి చూపిద్దాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఉందా? Yeah, these are like soft linen cotton. Okay, so this I loved it particularly for the print itself. You know, when I wear it on myself, I the print looked very pretty. So it's always again a white color blouse. If you want, you can wear the same white blouse. ikkada emana ichara last lo the plain blouse kada. So the plain blouse you can wear, or you can really go for a contrast like this. Though it is simple, it looks very elegant and it's very comfortable, and it's the maintenance is very easy to wear for a small parties or small functions. You'll really look very good with this prints, this cute and this fancy trending prints. Yes, with this I'm done. Okay, I think saree under. Okay, oxarity pallu chupiladu antaru malla daniki. So for this last Muggu and bird print saree, you will get a pallu like this. Okay, all these are for 999. No. Okay, yeah, with this we have completed the show today. I think you all like the collections. Please do pass your comments down. Now I am ready to talk to you for 2 minutes. I'll not bore you for a long time. You can message anything, your requests or your doubts or anything. And the people who have missed the live, very reasonable price, thank you so much. Yeah, who have missed the live, I wanted to post it on the IGTV. Hope it works good without any glitches. Okay, does anyone have any questions for me? You can ask me. I'm all here to answer your questions. Yes, I'll read the comments for some time. Very nice sarees. Thank you, Padma. Priya, very reasonable price. Thank you so much. Get one for yourself and start using, and you'll feel it very comfortable. For the daily wear, you can also, for daily wear sarees you can use normal sarees, but also you can use little trendy ones when you have an option in the same budget. So these are for 999 only. So for daily wear, and you want to look little fancy in the daily wear, office wear, or anywhere when you're going outside, this would be a great pick. All the colors are available for this saree, and this particular one, the bird print which I am wearing, I personally loved it, so I picked it for myself. This is in the baby pink color combination. Okay, does the head count is very less today. That's okay. Hope I get I'm hoping a good response for the sarees. I personally love the collections. Okay, if nobody have, for all the sarees it's free shipping. Okay, free shipping, and it's 999. The Mugu saree are of which quality? All these are linen mixed cottons. The Pochampalli design which I have shown you, those are linen cotton with silk mix, so it's more easy to drape. Okay, parle. So all these I am giving free shipping only for all the sarees which I have shown you in the live today, only because I make it more easy shopping, because this is the festive season and people wanted to buy so many sarees and gift it to their people also. This would be a nice and a cute presents. Definitely please take a screenshot and inbox me with the product that you want to buy. Okay. Unfortunately, please post live video missed from beginning. Unfortunately, sure, Stravia, I believe. How to order? Take a screenshot of the live video. If you didn't attend the live video, I'll be posting the same video on the IGTV. Please do watch and please do shop. Oh no, the last saree is a single piece and it is a designer piece that doesn't come in the colors, because the design is meant to collate between two prints. On white it shows more, on other colors it wouldn't show more, so it's only one color. I think we can end the session. Thank you so much for joining all the 70 or 80 or 100 people who are there from beginning. I really appreciate who are there, joined from the beginning and passed your comments. Thank you so much. Please do watch the video, and I hope you like the collections. Thank you so much. Bye.